Hey guys, Rob Andrew here. I'm going to show you this little riff that I made up just for practicing dexterity, practicing your triads, helping you learn the notes on the board a little better, hopefully, and also, just incorporating some flat picking and some hammer-ons and pull-offs and things all into the same riff. So, without further ado, I'm going to walk you through the riff kind of really slowly once, and then we'll come back and kind of explain how it's put together. You don't have to stop there. You could do more, sort of moves of different strings and stuff like that, but let's go through it one more time and kind of analyze what's going on. So you just start, if you can learn this first one in the 15th fret position, you can learn all of them just by following the natural notes. You're not allowed to play any sharps or flats. We're just staying in the C major scale. If you do that, you can move it around all different strings, and then once you kind of get a command of that, you can move it into different keys too. But just starting with this first one, we're going to start on the 15th fret. And we're going to do a C major triad, down and up, so we're going G, E, C, E. Or 15, 12, 13, 12 for you tab folks. And then G, E, F, E. 15, 12, 13, 12 for the tab folks. And then we're going to go down the scale on the second string, so we're going to go 15, 13, 12, 13. Or D, C, B, C, and then D, E, F, G, 15, 12, 13, 15. So, with pull-offs, and then this last part is all picked, so the last 8 notes are all picked. 2 pull-offs on that high string. And then picking down the C scale and back up. So that's it. And then you just move that down one triad at a time. So this one's based on the C major triad. Next one will be based on the B diminished triad, assuming you know a little bit about scales and chords here. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. I'm not sure if I can answer all of music theory for you in the comments, but I can try to answer some questions. A minor, G major. You'll notice, every time you play a major, it's the same finger shape. Here's another major, F major. Here's E minor. This is the same finger shape. And then I'm going to go to D minor, so that's the same shape. And then I just throw the C note in here. I could go, but I just go. So kind of working my way down the triads. That's a good exercise in itself. If you don't know your triads, you could just go and work on that first. But that's not enough for Fancy Rob, so we're gonna add those scale tones in. Same thing here, just staying in the C scale, so. And I just played an F sharp, that was wrong. So, you're just watching for naturalness. And you can take this to other strings. Let's say, take it to the middle 2 strings. There's my C triad. Throw in some palm muting, make it cool. Just to give you some material you can work into your solos maybe. You could sharp all the G's, make it like a harmonic minor vibe, starting like. Tons of stuff you could kind of do with that. But so that's basically the riff, guys. If you have questions, again, leave them in the comments. This is only my third video in. I'm sweaty, I'm shiny, I'm nervous. I got lights in my office here, so let me know what you think. If there's anything particular you want to see on this channel, please let me know. Please subscribe. There's a few cool videos on here of some acoustic stuff, and I hope to post some more real soon, so stick around.